Hello friends, today I am going to solve one of the popular interview question, that is minimum window substring. You can see the description of the question also. It's like given two strings S and T, we have to find the minimum window in S which contains all the characters in T in complexity of N. It's the main important point. We have to find it in linear time complexity. For example, you can look at this test case. It's given that S string contains Adobe Code Bank, which is ADOBE and we have to find a substring in this S such that it contains all the characters in T, which is ABC. You can look at the output. Like this is the substring BANC. Okay, with this contains all the characters in T, A, B, and C. We have to solve this question. I have did this using minimum window substring by using two pointer technique. I will show with the animation so that you can understand it easily. Here I have solved it also. You can see that it accepts. Plus this code, like if you see the code you will not understand much, but if I show with the animation you will understand it easily. Now let me show you with the animation so that you can understand easily. Now let me pause. See, there is a button for pause and resume. I have did this using Pygame and Python. What was the code there? Logic which I did in the Google lead code, that was only code. But in this local Pygame with Python, I did with the code as well as animation. You are seeing the animation only. Now I have paused it so that I can explain you what are the parameters written here, the tabular columns, so that you can understand it easily. Here you can see that S is the substring, ADOBE, CODE, BANC, Adobe Code Bank is there, and T is ABC. Now we have to find the substring in this S string so that it contains all ABC letters. Now window is the hash table which will contain the hash table of T. T contains A, B, and C 1 times respectively, so that it's like A, B, C 1. Now minimum window is our answer, like the substring which should contain the minimum length substring, and it should contain also A, B, and C. So far, like you have seen, I've created two pointers. I've said no before itself. I'm doing it with using two pointer technique. Now the two pointers are left and right. The top one is right and bottom one is left. Now since both are pointing to A, now the first letter is A, so that you can see that A is there and it has been read once. Like this, like if I run the animation, you'll understand it better. Now you can see the result also here. So far on the minimum substring length is 0 and the substring is null because we haven't started the program. Right now let me start the program. Now let me pause and explain. See, now the right pointer has moved to E. It says that our starting of the substring is A and E, which is Adobe ADOBE is our substring as of now. You can see that in the minimum window hash table, we can see that ADOBE as the counting of 1 respectively. Now let me show the next. You will see, notice a change here. You will see the, because next coming is C, right? So it contains A here, B in the 4th place and C in the 6th place. So it should show that should be one of the answer. That may not be the final answer, but that should be one of the valid answer. You will see that now when I run. Now let me give the resume button. You can, so that you can see the animation also. Yeah, now you can see that Adobe C, this substring contains all the letters A, B, and C in the T, so that it's one of the answers. It may not be the final answer. Still, we may find a better, smallest substring with the remaining part of the word. But so far, this substring of length 6, so you can see the smallest substring length is 6 and ADOBEC. Adobe C is the smallest substring as of now. And here you can see that also there are two parameters left and right, which will show the current position of left and right pointers. Now you can see that it's highlighted in blue. It shows that it's one of the valid answers. Now let me run the program so that you can see the remaining part also. Now see, see why it has slided, like why it has moved from left to right, because see it may contain unwanted letters in the left, so that it comes to the right and checks. So if it comes to the right, it's like literally we are removing A. You can see that the count of A in our current substring is 0, because you can see that our current substring is DOBEC, which doesn't contain A itself. But in our window, minimum window, which it should contain minimum at least 1, 1, 1 of A, B and C. Now we have 0, 1, 1. So this is not the valid substring of our answer. So so that's why it's not highlighted in blue. So now let me start the program again. Now let me pause. So here you can see that this giant big substring contains also again A, B and C. It has the word counting also A, D, B, O, E, C containing 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 times. Because this is also the valid substring which will contain A once and B twice and C once. You can see in the minimum window hash table as well. Now the before time you would have not, you may not have been understand why that sliding from left to right we are doing. Now here you'll understand clearly. See, now we have see, now when we slide, yeah, now when we slide, it's like still when we slide, still it's valid, because still we have A, B and C. Okay, that's why we are sliding. Now yeah, it's still valid, it's still valid. Now it's not valid because there was only one C before for the before substring, and now we have removed it. So now we have only O, D, E, B, A, which doesn't contain C. So this is not the valid substring. Now this process keeps repeating. This is the linear time complexity program. Now with the remaining part of the word, you'll see that there will be one of the shortest substring which will contain all the three letters A, B and C. So now let me play. Now you can see that BANC, it's the smallest substring of length 4. Here also you can see it's updated from left position 9 to right position 12. That's indexes. Now its length is 4 and the word is BANC. It contains all B, A, B and C. So this is the smallest substring which will contain all answers, which is containing all letters in T. Now, yeah, let's see. Yeah, you can see that the minimum window substring is BANC. This is the ending, guys. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. Thank you. One more thing, the codes are in the description. If you want, you can take a look at it. Thank you.